infinity and beyond.
Oh, all this packing makes me hungry. What would you say to dinner at, Pizza Planet?
Pizza Planet? Oh, cool.
Go wash your hands, and I'll get Molly ready.
Can I bring some toys?
You can bring one toy.
Just one?
One toy? Will Andy pick me?
Don't count on it! Oh!
Buzz! I don't see him in the driveway. I think he bounced into Sid's yard.
Oh, Buzz! This was no accident.
What do you mean?
I mean, Humpty Dumpty was pushed by Woody.
What?
Wait a minute, you don't think I meant to knock Buzz out the window, do you? Now, it was an accident, guys. Come on. Now, you gotta believe me.
We believe ya, Woody. Right, Rex?
Well, no, I don't like confrontation.
I'll be right down. I've got to get Buzz. Mom, do you know where Buzz is?
No, I haven't seen him. Andy, I'm heading out the door.
But Mom, I can't find
Honey,
him.
just grab some other toy. Now, come on.
Okay. I couldn't find my Buzz. I know I left him right there.
Honey, I'm sure he's around. You'll find him.